is a monster. What a machine. So here we are. This is what has come. This is my big pair of scissors. Let's get it unwrapped. See what we got inside. So here we go. This is what we've got. We have bought a TMK 200 tree shear. What a beast it looks. This is fitted with the optional collector here at the top and the blade down at the bottom here. Nice colour. Big shout out to NCD Equipment. This is where it came from. Right, let's get it fitted up and see what it looks like. Right, so the first job is to get the hydraulic pipes with some couplings on the end here, so they can go on the auxiliary here. So I have got some here, and we'll get them fitted on the end here. So there we go, they're both on, ready to go. Next job is we have to fit this cable. Because I don't have an extra auxiliary and I ordered this tree shear with what's called a collector, which is this one here, which holds the branches, holds them while the bottom of it keeps on shearing more. So I've got to have this wire run up the boom and into the cab. This is the other wire which I've got to wire in. So somehow I've got some, that's the auxiliary. So whether I can wire into this bundle, there is one round here on the back. So whether I can wire it on that one, I'm not sure. Let's have a look at the manual. Yeah, that's going to take me a minute to work out. So I've got to work out where to run that in. Let's have a go at that bit. so far we've put the connector up there. I don't know whether that will stay there permanently, but it'll do there for the minute until we decide where it might be better. And then routed the cable down along here, and it's then got to go around here somewhere. Follow these ones. Where do they go? And then disappear into the machine. So to get our cable through from the outside, we need access under here. So I've taken the other rubber mat out, and now we're going to need to get these bolts out and get this panel and probably that one as well to try and feed the wire through up into the cab to catch all these buttons somewhere. So now we're out, hopefully down here you can feed our wire through. Right, so it's now the next day, after having a bit more of a dig and look at the manual. I don't have any spare buttons on here to work the tree shear, so what I do have is a horn button, which for the minute, until I talk to Kubota and try and get some extra buttons put on this lever over this side, will do, because it needs a relay. That'll be fitted in with the relay here. So, taking the panel off the front, horn is nicely situated down here, so we're going to whip off these leads and plug our tree shear straight into there, and hopefully that will sort it. Right, we're all plugged into the horn button on here. No horn anymore. Got the auxiliary on. So opens normally. So now when we press the horn, aha, we can open the collector as well. Look at that. Sorted. Right, let's take it up the forest and have a play. Well, this thing is an absolute monster. Struggled with the bottom bit, but it is oversized for what it's spec'd. Let's go and have a look, see what size it is. Not really surprising, is it? I think around this sort of size is what it's spec'd to. Yeah, I mean that's nearly 9 inches, yet it's still cut it off. Absolutely amazing. That is a good bit of kit. There's a hard ox edge on here. Got the grapple here. And then this is what's called the collector, which holds it in so you can do multiple small ones. Very impressed. Nice bit of kit. Well, if you've enjoyed the video, thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.